हाँ जी.
તમે અથવા તો તમારા કોઈ ફ્રેન્ડ સર્કલ કે ફેમિલી મેમ્બર્સમાંથી કોઈ સ્મોક કરે છે?
ના જી.
તમે કોઈને જોતા હો સ્મોક કરતા તો એના માટે એને અટકાવવા માટે કોઈ એક્શન લો છો?
હા, અમે એમને સમજાવીએ છીએ. અમે અમારા વર્કરને પણ સિગરેટ પીવા માટે ના પાડીએ છીએ.
અને તે માને છે?
હા, એ માને છે. એ લોકો ઓછું કરવાનું પ્રોમિસ આપે છે ને ઓછું કરે છે.
ઓકે, તમે મને કોઈ નંબર્સ આપી શકો કે કેટલા લોકોને તમે એની જે કન્ઝ્યુમેટિવ લેવલ છે એ ઓછું કરે?
લગભગ 6 થી 7 જણ.
અને તમે ફ્યુચરમાં કોઈ એવા એક્શન લેવા માંગો છો કે જેનાથી?
અમે તો એક્શન લેવા માંગીએ છીએ પણ સરકાર પણ એક્શન લે અને પાન ગુટખા બંધ કરે એવું ઈચ્છીએ છીએ.
તમાકુ ઉત્પાદન.
Okay. Do you smoke?
No.
Does anybody of your friends or family members?
No, few of my friends do smoke.
Okay. Do any action to quit this habit from them?
No, see, I think people are adult enough in my own circle. So a couple of times you warn them. People are very casual when it comes to habit. But if you tell them the diseases which are associated with it, the downfalls which come with it,
Yes.
and more importantly, their dependents, what will happen to their children, what will happen to their offspring, which diseases take away the quality of life, the moments which are snatched from their lives. I think that is more important to be communicated to people. I don't generally go ahead and tell people because people's sensibilities matter. And even if you're telling people for their own well-being, people don't take it kindly to being advised or being told about what to do. People don't take very well to kindness. They prefer to harm themselves. That's what I think.
Okay.
Thanks.
I'm extremely happy that you have mentioned over here that you have quit the smoking. May I know about your previous experience?
Yeah, in fact, I used to smoke. I used to consume eating tobacco.
Okay.
I used to consume pan as well as I used to consume the gutka.
Okay.
I-
Now, how frequently?
In fact, I started at the age of 12 years, and till I was 35, I was consuming it. Nobody could convince me, even my parents or my wife. But one fine morning, when I was consuming it, my son said that if you will consume tobacco, I will not talk to you anymore. And that makes me think that if such a small child can think, he has seen this from the television. There are a lot of anti-tobacco and anti-cigarette advertisements and campaign which are going on. So he used to see the cartoon movies in all kids channel, and there are a lot of promotions were being done.
Yes, correct.
And probably 3 months back I left it, and it's almost you can say 85 or 86th day today where I have not consumed it.
That's great.
And
That's great.
I feel I am happy, and initially couple of days I was getting the strive of it, because every tobacco consumption who has a habit,
Yes.
they get a striving.
Yes.
Like when you see a vada pav, you get a striving. Like
Correct.
we saw a cigarette and we get a
So
striving.
what do you do to stop that craving which you?
I do nothing. I just remember him and the craving goes.
So आप पापा से happy हो? Do Papa smoke now?
સિગરેટ પીવે છે પપ્પા હવે?
नहीं ना?
તમાકુ ખાય છે હવે?
Thanks कह thanks कह
છે થેન્ક્સ.
Thank you, Papa.
Thank you, Papa.
What do you do to stop if your friends or your family members to smoke?
I would blackmail them through the kids only, because kids are the only source through which they will be able to convince
What
them.
about youngsters who don't? who are not
Youngsters, I would say you are killing yourself. I have seen couple of cases in my own family who have died in cancer. Yesterday it was the first death anniversary of my own uncle who died through tobacco. So we have seen operations, we have seen the ligament coming out of the mouth, and we have kept it in our hand, and we have seen how dirty it was. The entire jaw was taken out. I have taken it in my hand, and I have seen it practically. So I mean, you will have to get it convinced. I mean, there is no way. It is a bad thing. And if you leave it, it is better for you. If you don't leave it, I mean, God helps you.
Okay. Are you going to take any actions to stop who are consuming tobacco and smoking?
I would be happy to, help them by giving my own experiences. I would like to share a lot of experiences. I've also faced. I used to be little short temper when I was consuming all these things.
Correct.
I have started controlling my tempers and all that. So as and when that the toxicness of that thing goes out from your body and
Correct.
body start intoxicating, you feel little freshness.
Fresh.
You know,
Yes.
I used to hate getting early and going out for a walks. I've started going out for a walks. I've started getting early.
So now you are feeling healthier than.
I feel I am little more healthy. Yeah.
Yes. Okay. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Yes, I am Dr. Jayesh Trivedi. Basically, I am a cardiologist and physician. I am practicing for more than 30 years.
Regarding our theme, anti-smoking, I would like to know from you that what are the effects of to smoke and to consume tobacco?
See, there are two types of smoking. Direct smoking, where you smoke yourself, and then there is environmental tobacco smoking. We call it ETS. Both of them are very, very dangerous. It practically kills almost all organs of the body. It doesn't preserve anything. Economically also it will make you very bad. If you are a smoker, for females, the children they generate, they will be also having lots of problems. They will have cleft lip, cleft palate, even breast secretions, they will be affected. So why we should be responsible for our own children's future, in a bad way? It's very bad. We have no right to do such things. And such campaign, when we do it in abundance, naturally that will help everyone. And particularly our concentration is on youngsters who are going to be our future. So it's wonderful that this foundation is doing such activities. And I feel proud that I am part of it.
Thank you, sir, for the information. I would like to know, because people who are addicted with smoke or this tobacco, they are more reluctant to quit the habit. Then what should we do to make them quit the
See,
habit?
the first and foremost thing is that personally he should feel that I really want to quit this smoking. His mental...
Even if he feels, but it's not possible for
Yes.
him to...
then there are so many de-addiction things which are going on. Like, we have... We have de-addiction centers also at so many hospitals which we are doing. We can take help of the family people also to convince them. Then certain chewable nicotine gums are also available. Chewing that can be also utilized. There is something like bupropion. It's a drug which is available which will help in quitting smoking. Most important thing is that his own will and determination that he wants to quit.
Correct. And have you taken any steps in order to
Yeah, we try to. We
reduce
have
this
convinced
habit?
so many people to quit smoking, and it has been showing a very good, encouraging results. That
That's
will
great.
save the economy as well of the family and society and government as well.
Correct. Thank you.